Welcome to the Future DIY Edition. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of DIY tech. We're talking 3D printed houses, custom-built drones, and people harnessing the power of the sun, all from their own two hands. The future is being built right now, and it's being built by people like you and me. So grab your safety goggles, fire up your soldering irons, and get ready to be blown away by these 5 DIY technologies that are about to shock the world. You won't believe what people are creating in their own garages. Alright, first up we're tackling the construction zone, but forget those clunky cranes and endless lumber deliveries. We're talking 3D printed houses, people. Yeah, you heard me right. Massive 3D printers spitting out concrete like a pastry chef with a piping bag are building entire houses layer by freaking layer. Companies like Icon and Apiscore are already building these houses right now. And they're doing it faster, cheaper, and with way less waste than traditional construction methods. Imagine that, a world where affordable, sustainable housing is within everyone's reach. Think about it, you design your dream home on a computer, hit print, and boom. A few days later, you're moving in. Need an extra room? No problem, just print one on. This tech is revolutionizing the construction industry, making homes more accessible and sustainable for everyone. And because they use less material and produce less waste, they're way better for the environment. 3D printing is changing the game, one layer of concrete at a time. Next up, we're taking to the skies with DIY drones. And no, we're not talking about those little toys you fly around the park. These are serious machines capable of capturing stunning aerial footage, carrying heavy payloads, and even performing intricate tasks, all built with off-the-shelf components and a whole lot of ingenuity. Open-source platforms like Ardupelo are giving everyday people the tools to build and program their own drones, leading to a surge in drone innovation from, you guessed it, garages and basements around the world. Farmers are using custom-built drones to survey their crops, filmmakers are getting Hollywood-worthy shots on a shoestring budget, and hobbyists are pushing the limits of what these flying machines can do. DIY drones are also being used for good. Disaster relief organizations are using them to deliver aid to remote areas. Researchers are using them to collect data in dangerous environments, and search and rescue teams are using them to locate missing persons. Imagine a world where drones deliver your packages, inspect bridges for safety, or even plant trees in deforested areas. The possibilities are truly sky high. All right, let's talk about energy, but not the kind that comes in a can. We're talking about harnessing the power of the sun with DIY solar panels. Forget those expensive contractor-installed systems. Build your own solar panels and slash your energy bills. Find all the components you need online or at your local hardware store. Tons of online resources and communities can help you. Kits with pre-assembled components make it easier and safer. Generate free electricity and reduce your carbon footprint. No more outrageous power bills, just clean, renewable energy. Take control of your energy future and create a cleaner, greener planet. Get ready to be inspired, because in this chapter we're diving into the world of open source prosthetics. We're talking about a global community of engineers, makers, and medical professionals who are collaborating online to create affordable, customizable prosthetics for those in need. Using 3D printers, readily available electronics, and open source designs, they're building prosthetic arms that can grip, hands that can write, and legs that can run, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional prosthetics. This is huge news, especially for children who often outgrow their prosthetics quickly. Organizations like eNable are connecting volunteers with those in need, creating a global network of support and innovation. They're providing kids with custom-designed, superhero-themed prosthetic arms that not only improve their lives, but also empower them to embrace their uniqueness. The open-source nature of this movement means that designs are constantly being improved and shared, making these life-changing devices even more accessible to those who need them most. Open-source prosthetics are changing lives, one 3D printed limb at a time. Hold on to your hats, folks, because in this final chapter, we're stepping into the future, a future where your house does your bidding. We're talking about DIY smart home devices. With platforms like Arduino and Raspberry Pi, you can build your own smart home gadgets. From automated lights and thermostats to voice-controlled appliances and security systems. Imagine walking into your house and the lights turn on, your favorite playlist starts and the thermostat adjusts. And the best part is you built it yourself. DIY smart homes let you customize your living space to fit your needs. Plus, it's fun to learn about electronics and coding. With creativity and DIY spirit, you can turn your house into a futuristic haven. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 DIY technologies that are about to turn the world upside down. As these technologies continue to evolve and become even more accessible, there's no limit to what we can create and how we can use them to make the world a better place. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, get creative, and start building the future you want to see. Who knows, maybe your DIY project will be the next one to shock the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tech content. Let us know in the comments which DIY technology shocked you the most.